Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Happy Father's Day. Dinrowing ko ito, yung mga pinagkakasunduan namin ng papa ko. Lalo na sa video games, movies, ito. Then, foods. Mahilig siya, chichirya, mga chichirya. Mahilig din siya magluto, kuya. Kahit mga pagkain. Masarap siya magluto, kuya. Magaling siya mag-eksperimento pagdating sa pagkain.
Tuwing kailan mo natitikman yung luto ng tatay mo?
Every sweldo. Natatawa ko kasi pag sweldo, inaabangan talaga namin kasi alam namin na pagdating niya may dala siya. Kasi unang-una niyang bibilhin sa sweldo niya pagkain, hanggang maubos yung sweldo niya pagkain pa rin yung binibili.
Big blue piece of paper. Paborito kulay ng dad ko. Yellow. I remember finding out my dad's favorite color. It was when we were all looking for a new house. I think I was around 6 years old. And we were driving up to it. I didn't know which one it was. It's like, Mom, is it that one? Yun? Mom, that one? Is it that one? And I said, no. Look for, this house, this kind of house. And I saw it, and it was yellow. I didn't imagine my parents picking a yellow house. I asked my parents, why did you pick a yellow house? The first thing my mom said was that my dad's favorite color was yellow, and that's why he picked it. Hey, Dad. Happy Father's Day, Dad. I made it yellow because that's your favorite color. Thanks for loving and supporting me all the time. I wouldn't have been able to experience any of this if it wasn't for you. Love you, Dad.
Cherish all this richness, Ivan, and learn from it.
Salamat po.
Yes.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Ivan.
This is me, this is my dad. And then we're like hanging out, and I'm laughing probably at his face because he's making a funny face. And then on the back, another drawing. That's me. And then I'm saying, I love you, Dad. Dear Dad, right now I'm seriously happy. I get to write a letter to you. I don't know if you know how much I miss you. Every day I wonder what you're doing and how you are, and if you're thinking of me. There's been a lot of times that I really need you and didn't realize how hard being away from you was going to be. But I know you have taught me a lot and made me into the person I am today. Being away from home, I have learned a lot and used all the good things you taught me, and it's really helped me. It is my biggest dream to do my best in PUB and to use my talent I have to take care of you and Mom and Grandma. I think about this every night before sleeping, about doing my best and being able to support my family and to make you so proud to call me your son.
Dad ko po, then ako po ulit. Then family name and mga tao.
Ikaw ba nag-drawing yan?
Hindi po. Ako po nag-color. Diba? Ang colorful. And eto ako nag-write dito. Ito.
Pero ang drawing, parang
Ang nag-draw lang po si
Sino nag-drawing yan?
Si po, kaibigan ko po.
Sino?
Si Brett. Kapag laki ko, nandyan siya palagi. So, parang ni-guide din ako sa right path or to become a better person. Yan. Parang tinuturuan niya ako if ano yung mga tama at mali. He's always there for me. Ganun. So, ganun po. Parang lahat ginagawa niya para sa akin.
Paano naman kaya nagtatapos ang kahuli-hulihang butikas ng mga teen housemates?